Unable to save photos or videos automatically to your iPhone gallery from WhatsApp chats? After watching this video, you can keep all your media in your Photos application easily. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the automatic saving of photos and videos from WhatsApp. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap on your Apple ID name. Now tap on iCloud. Tap See All from here. Scroll down a little bit. Find the WhatsApp. Make sure WhatsApp is toggled on and it is syncing. Remember that if WhatsApp sync is disabled, it might be a cause of not saving photos or videos into your Photos application. Step 2. Open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the Settings icon from below. Tap Chats. Now toggle on the option called Save to Photos. Step 3. Go to the WhatsApp app again. Tap the Settings app from below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Storage and Data. Scroll down again. Tap Photos under Media Auto Download. Select Wi-Fi and Cellular Data. And then go back and tap Video. And again select Wi-Fi and Cellular Data. And that's it. Now all your WhatsApp photos and videos will automatically save to your photo gallery on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then smash that like button. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And until then, stay tuned.